Hello everyone, welcome to Andy Visits. In today's video, we'll be discussing some of the best movies of Irfan Khan. Despite his long battle with cancer, Irfan never gave up and continued to fight but eventually left for the heavenly abode, leaving behind truly a legacy of his own. From carving a niche in Bollywood to going west and establishing himself as one of the most skilled actors on the planet, Irfan has left behind his artistic work for all of his fans. So here are 10 best films of Irfan Khan. Pan Singh Tomar. Irfan stepped into the shoes of Indian Army soldier Pan Singh Tomar in a Tigmanshu Dhulia in 2012 and left everyone impressed with his brilliant performance. Not only that, but the charismatic actor even went on to grab the national award for his memorable performance as a dacoit, who turns into an athlete and wins big at the national games. The Lunchbox. Irfan Khan not only stole the show by playing the character of a widower Sergeant Fernandez in the film Lunchbox, but also proved his acting prowess by displaying sheer brilliance on the celluloid. The film, which revolved around the beautiful bond between Sergeant Ela and how a lunchbox developed a friendly bond between them, won over the audience. The Ritesh Batra directorial served as the best platform for Irfan to prove his versatility on the screen. Talwar. Meghna Gulzar showcased the unseen side of Irfan as an actor as she managed to rope him to play the lead in the thriller Talwar. The talented actor who played the role of Ashwin Kumar, a determined investigating officer, managed to excel in the limited space and gave the audience a glimpse of a sharp and incisive officer as he brought his A-game on the display. Piku. Irfan managed to steal the thunder from the likes of Deepika Padukone and Amitabh Bachchan when he teamed up with them for Shoojit Sircar's comedy flick Piku. Despite playing a side role of a taxi business owner, Rana Chaudhary, Irfan nailed it on the silver screen with his perfect timing and scintillating acting skills. Maqbool. Lastly, Irfan's brave portrayal of Mia Maqbool in Vishal Bharadwaj's 2003 film Maqbool is touted as the film which opened the doors of Bollywood for him. He not only proved his talent as an actor amidst Bollywood stalwarts like Pankaj Kapoor, Naseeruddin Shah and Om Puri, but also gave the audience a real cinematic treat with his splendid performance. The film, which is an adaptation of Shakespeare's Macbeth, saw him portray the character of a man torn between his lover and his loyalty of his mentor. Hindi medium. Irfan Khan teamed up with Pakistani actress Sabaa Kamar to entertain the audience for a light-hearted family drama which highlighted today's social issues of kids schooling. The film might have witnessed a decent run at the box office, but it surely won over the audience, which even led to the audience making a sequel, Angrezi Medium, which was released recently. Slumdog Millionaire. One of the most successful films in the history of cinema, Danny Boyle's Slumdog Millionaire, which won big at the 2008 Oscars, might have featured Dev Patel and Freda Pinto in the lead, but Irfan did manage to make his presence felt as he essayed the character of a police officer. The film took the audience on an eventful journey of a young boy from the slum to become a millionaire and how his experiences helped him in the journey. Life of Pi. Irfan Khan played the adult version of Pi Patel in filmmaker Ang Lee's Life of Pi, which won several prestigious awards globally. Not only Bollywood, but Irfan has managed to carve a niche for himself in Hollywood as well, and has delivered several breathtaking performances as well. Haasil. Filmmaker Tigmanshu Dhulia's 2003 film Haasil, which saw Irfan in the negative role, is touted as a classic cult which has paved way for several films. The film, which even starred Jimmy Shergill and Rishita Bhatt, was completely shot in Uttar Pradesh. Irfan's rebellious act in the film even helped back the Filmfare Award for the Best Actor in a Negative Role. Haider. Despite playing a small character of Ruhdar in Vishal Bharadwaj's modern-day adaptation of William Shakespeare's Hamlet and Bhasharat Pier's memoir Curfewed Night set in Kashmir, Irfan completely owned the film like a boss. The film, which starred Shahid Kapoor, Tabbu, Shraddha Kapoor and KK Menon in the lead roles, might have failed to excel at the box office, but a cinematic delight to all Irfan fans.